1. Tomatoes, one of the most widely consumed fruits worldwide, belong to the Solanaceae family and are scientifically classified as Solanum lycopersicum. 1. Originating from western South America, they have been an essential part of human nutrition for centuries due to their rich nutrient profile and medicinal properties. 2. Rich in bioactive compounds, tomatoes are an abundant source of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. They also contain folate, potassium, and a diverse range of phytochemicals including lycopene, flavonoids, and carotenoids. 2. The presence of these compounds contributes to their numerous health benefits. 3. Lycopene, the dominant carotenoid in tomatoes, has potent antioxidant properties. 3. Multiple studies have shown that lycopene plays a significant role in reducing oxidative stress, neutralizing free radicals, and preventing lipid peroxidation, which is critical in cardiovascular and neurodegenerative disease prevention. 4. Different age groups metabolize and utilize tomato-derived nutrients differently, leading to varying health impacts. 5. In infants and toddlers, 0–3 years, tomatoes provide essential nutrients necessary for growth and immune system development. 5. However, raw tomatoes may trigger allergies in some infants due to their acidic nature, potentially causing rashes or digestive discomfort. 6. In children, 4–12 years, tomatoes contribute to enhanced cognitive function and vision due to their high vitamin A content. 6. Their antioxidant properties help strengthen immunity, reducing the frequency of common colds and infections. 7. Adolescents, 13–19 years, benefit from tomatoes due to their high content of vitamin C and lycopene, which improves skin health and combat acne. 7. The presence of potassium supports cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure. 8. Adults, 20–50 years, derive multiple benefits from tomato consumption, such as improved metabolic function, reduced inflammation, and enhanced heart health. 8. Studies indicate that regular tomato intake lowers the risk of prostate cancer in men and supports hormonal balance in women. 9. Elderly individuals, 50+ years, particularly benefit from the neuroprotective effects of lycopene and flavonoids found in tomatoes. 9. These compounds help in the prevention of cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. 9. Additionally, tomatoes aid in maintaining bone density and reducing osteoporosis risk due to their vitamin K content. 10. Tomatoes exhibit potent cardiovascular benefits, significantly reducing the risk of hypertension, atherosclerosis, and stroke. 10. Scientific studies suggest that the synergistic action of lycopene, flavonoids, and potassium helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing LDL cholesterol levels. 11. The anti-cancer properties of tomatoes are well documented. 11. Lycopene, in particular, has been found to inhibit cancer cell proliferation, induce apoptosis in malignant cells, and reduce the progression of prostate, breast, and lung cancer. 11. Studies conducted by the American Institute for Cancer Research emphasize that a diet rich in tomatoes is linked to lower cancer incidence. 12. Tomato consumption enhances gastrointestinal health by improving gut microbiota composition. 12. The fiber in tomatoes supports digestive health, preventing constipation and enhancing the gut's ability to absorb essential nutrients. 13. The immune-boosting properties of tomatoes are attributed to their high vitamin C content. 13. Regular consumption strengthens the body's defense mechanisms against infections, inflammation, and autoimmune disorders. 14. Tomatoes have demonstrated significant neuroprotective effects. 14. Research published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease suggests that lycopene prevents beta-amyloid plaque formation in the brain, which is a key factor in the progression of Alzheimer's disease. 15. The role of tomatoes in weight management is significant. 15. Their high water content, combined with low calories and fiber, promotes satiety and helps in reducing calorie intake, making them an essential component of weight loss diets. 16. Tomatoes improve skin health due to their high levels of lycopene and vitamin C. Studies indicate that tomato-based skincare regimens reduce UV-induced skin damage, prevent premature aging, and promote collagen synthesis for healthy, youthful skin. 17. Regular consumption of tomatoes has been linked to better lung health. 17. Lycopene and other antioxidants help in reducing inflammation in the lungs, benefiting individuals with asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 18. The effect of tomatoes on metabolic health is substantial. 18. Research shows that tomatoes help in reducing insulin resistance, improving glucose metabolism, and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. 19. Tomatoes contribute significantly to vision health due to their high beta-carotene and lutein content. 19. These compounds help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts in aging individuals. 20. The beneficial effects of tomatoes extend to reproductive health as well. 20. Lycopene has been found to improve sperm quality and motility in men, while its anti-inflammatory properties support reproductive wellness in women. 21. The anti-inflammatory properties of tomatoes aid in reducing joint pain and stiffness in individuals suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 22. Tomatoes play a crucial role in reducing stress and improving mood. 22. Their folate content aids in serotonin production, which is a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and mental well-being. 23. A high intake of tomatoes supports liver detoxification by enhancing liver enzyme function, preventing fatty liver disease, and reducing the risk of hepatic damage. 24. The effect of tomatoes on kidney health is significant. 24. Research suggests that moderate tomato consumption helps prevent kidney stone formation due to their high water and potassium content. 25. Tomato-based products such as tomato juice, sauce, and puree offer concentrated benefits. 25. However, processed tomato products often contain added sodium, which should be consumed in moderation to avoid negative cardiovascular effects. 26. Organic versus conventionally grown tomatoes have different nutrient profiles. 26. Studies indicate that organic tomatoes have higher concentrations of phenolic compounds, contributing to superior antioxidant activity compared to conventionally grown counterparts. 27. Despite their numerous benefits, excessive tomato consumption can lead to adverse effects such as acid reflux, kidney stone formation due to high oxalate content, and allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. 28. Cooking tomatoes enhances lycopene bioavailability, making them more effective in delivering health benefits. 28. Studies confirm that heat processing increases lycopene absorption while slightly reducing vitamin C content. 29. The integration of tomatoes into a balanced diet maximizes their health benefits. 29. Pairing tomatoes with healthy fats such as olive oil improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and carotenoids. 30. In conclusion, tomatoes offer a multitude of health benefits across all age groups, making them an indispensable part of a nutritious diet. 30. Their impact on cardiovascular health, cancer prevention, neuroprotection, metabolism, and overall well-being is scientifically validated. 30. Regular but balanced consumption of tomatoes ensures optimal health outcomes, reinforcing their role as a superfood in daily nutrition.